Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Diwali special Besan Burfi recipe. This Besan Burfi is healthy, it's easy to make and takes just under 30 minutes to make at home. Super easy, healthy and made without refined sugar. So let's get started with the recipe. To make a Besan Burfi, first I'm chopping some dry fruits. I have a handful of almonds and I'm roughly chopping the almonds. You can use any dry fruits of your choice, like maybe pistachios, and once chopped, keep it aside. A handful of cashew nuts. I have already greased and lined a pan, and I'm going to keep this aside. Next, I'm crushing 8 cardamoms. Once the cardamoms are crushed, remove the skin, and then grind it to a fine powder. Once ground, keep it aside. Into a saucepan, add in half cup crushed organic jaggery powder. This is organic jaggery which does not contain any sand or dust particles, hence I am directly using it. I am also adding in extra 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Next, add in 1/3 cup water. On low flame, melt the jaggery and make it into a sticky consistency. You don't need one string consistency, you just need a sticky consistency. Once the jaggery comes to a boil, reduce the flame to the lowest and simmer it for a few minutes or until it becomes a sticky consistency. We need sticky consistency syrup in this recipe, we don't need one string consistency. Okay, now it's a sticky consistency and I'm turning off the flame. Into a wide pan, I am adding in 1 cup besan flour through a sieve and sieve the besan flour into the pan. Besan flour may sometimes has some lumps. Sieving will help to remove the lumps. And turn on the flame and lightly roast the besan flour. This will help to remove the raw flavor of the besan flour. Besan flour tends to get burnt very fast, so make sure you put the flame on lowest and keep stirring so that it does not get burnt. And once the raw flavor has diminished, add in 1/4 cup desi ghee and roast the besan flour in the desi ghee. Sometimes you may need extra 1 to 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. It depends upon the type of besan flour you are using. On low flame, roast it. It should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. After 5 minutes, desi ghee will start to release out. You need to keep stirring. And this is how it looks after exactly 10 minutes. After 12 minutes, it will start to look creamy and the color has started to change. At this stage, I am adding in the jaggery syrup. Give it a stir. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. Stir it for about a minute or two. And once the mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan, turn off the flame and pour it into the prepared pan. And grease the back of a cup or a katori and just level the top. Sprinkle the chopped nuts over it and press down the nuts into the burfi. And once it has cooled down lightly, with a knife I am just making a mark or an intention and slice and enjoy the besan burfi. So guys, do try this besan burfi and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.